Make sure you know Ask About Us made niggas saving money in a miracle, baby.
Yo, what is up and what is percolating YouTube, the World Wide Web? As you guys can see in live HD, it's the Thrift Guy. Back to you guys with a brand new trip to the Thrift, and today I'm actually going to show you guys all the tips and tricks I have live in the Thrift. So basically this is going to be me imparting my knowledge onto you guys, showing you guys how to buy, how to sell, and basically all the intricacies of being a motherfucking thrift legend. So without further ado, let's hop in the store and see if we can find some thrift scores. Alright guys, so we're live in the store. I got that boy Lil Kinky with me. Now number one, when you're thrifting, you gotta know what your goal is. Is it to dress yourself or to flip the clothes for a profit? Now today, I'm actually gonna be showing you guys a cool app called Depop, which is like a really good way to sell clothes if you don't have a large audience like myself. So basically it's just a cool place to buy and sell vintage. A lot of my homies who thrift actually do use that application. There's gonna be a link in the description if you guys are curious, wanna look into it, wanna grab some threads or sell some. But it's time for us to find the fire. So the first thing you gotta do is evaluate which section has what you wanna go for first in this thing. So it's a random time, a random day, and I always like checking out the jerseys and the jackets first. Everyone has their own preference. If you're into hats, check the hats. But I find that jackets and jerseys have a lot of the value for the price. So we live in the jacket section. We'll see what they twerking with. Oh, that boy looking like a mandarin though.
You look fruity.
Yeah, man, so in the jacket section, they don't have a darn thing. And that's what it be like thrifting sometimes though. So another key tip in the thrift is to go to as many as humanly possible. So we're gonna hit up a bunch, but we gotta further dissect the rest of this store and see if they got some scores. Ooh, they got the used drawers? Bruh, straight bars. I swear I own this pair. Ooh. And I'm about to own another. Let's double up, baby. Yo. Oh, another quick tip on the move. When the racks come out, you gotta swarm on them. Watch out, cuz. I ain't a chick, but if I was, hey, I would definitely cop these. These going fresh on the Depop. So posting is simple. Take it outside, natural light, throw it on some grass, whip out the phone, do your little thing, take a pic, post description, sell that shit, whatever price you see fit. Now let's get back in the thrift.
It's busy as fuck.
It's what?
Busy as fuck.
You think they look good on me?
Yeah, I think you should totally work it.
Yeah? I think they made my butt look big.
Stripper heels.
Some stripper heels. Yeah, this will go good with some stripper heels.
Sponsor?
Oh, hey, shout out Puma, my sponsor, baby. What are these, bro?
Those are Jordan slippers.
Okay. That is cool. You think this goes together? I feel like this is like an art teacher fit. Low-key smoking dope in the student parking lot.
Smoke weed every day.
Yeah. Hey, this is that art teacher exclusive. They got the distressed blunt holder. Perfect patina, bro. Hi, ma'am. So another key is to actually find the sleeves that never deceive. So a lot of times when I'm live in the trenches, I see what has the crazy patternation. So I'm like scanning, boom, baby. This is actually a dope little 90s graphic. It depends on the style you're going for. I like flipping any 90s looking shit. I could see Michael Jordan on the golf course in this for show. So that's an acquisition. Also, you guys know that dad swag is definitely in. And Puritan has came through for the win with the vertical stripes, bruh. Hey, shout out Young Clipper, we got all the scrubs. Oh. Hey, another veteran move is to use the belt loops as a shopping cart until you find a vase that's hidden like this one. Look at it. So yeah, man, sometimes you can also find interior decor live in the thrift. It's the cheat code to life. So whether you're going for, you know, TVs, VHSs, clothes, books, anything of that nature, you can find it all in the thrift. Straight up! Oh wow, another one. 9 doll hairs. Look at this, dual wheel set, no regrets. Taking both home with me. All right, the cart is cocked and loaded. We about to dip out of here. Got some slight work, some things for the shop, some personal cops, and some decorative items as well. Let's get outside, baby. Look at this. That's 1988, mommy.
1988.
You see that? Mm-hmm. That's 30 years old. 30 years? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Look, feel the texture. Look at that single. Look at that single stitch. Look at that. You see that? Single stitch.
Okay.
You dig?
All
This
right.
ain't no all made in USA.
Okay, well, y'all give me the spiel in.
Look, you can touch it if you want.
Okay.
Yeah. Feel a six pack?
Ah, no, I don't feel
Solid.
nothing.
You don't?
I don't feel nothing.
Come on.
I feel
Come on, hit me
jelly.
with your best shot.
I feel jelly.
Come on.
Jelly. Okay, go ahead and tell me
Washboard
about
ass.
the shirt.
Girl, you could clean thrift clothes on these abs.
Tell me about the shirt. Oh, it's like
I just told you about it, man.
You don't know about that old fashioned washboard.
You got 4 deceased apes. This dude got the blonde dreads. He got the Michael Jordan hoop earring in. The aviator, because you know he fly. Aviator glasses, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Then on the back, is it a world tour or a girls tour? You know what I'm saying? Shout out Drizzy Drake. Yeah.
Okay, now what he got? What he smoking, a blunt?
Let me dig in the bag of the reefer, though.
Yeah, he's digging in the bag.
Okay, good
I love
luck.
you, mama.
Okay, love you, baby.
All right, I'll see you next time.
All right,
hopefully.
next time with me.
All right, look out for me, Paul Cantu, youtube.com.
Tell me again.
Paul Cantu. Just type in thrift or trip to the thrift
Trip to the thrift.
or just thrift, and I'll probably pop up.
Okay.
Yeah. Tell your family about me. Woo! All right, guys. We out the first store right now. Got like 3 bags. The finds were pretty good. Also, Kinky did get some fashion upgrades as well, live in the thrift. So he has the dead stock shades, and oh, bruh, I know you was wavy like that.
Hey, now you know, player.
Anyways, man, so yeah, sometimes it be like that in the first store. Like, they had some good items, they had a bunch of mediocre items, but that's why you hit as many as humanly possible. So let's go on to the next. All right, guys, so y'all may think we're at the next thrift store. That assumption is very incorrect. I didn't want this fool to outwave me, so I gotta get wavy too, bro. You already know what time it is, huh? Oh man, last one in stock, baby. Yes. Situation handled. On to the next, players. So as you guys can tell, man, this store is huge. Oh, the sponsorship? I came to the jersey section first, as is the case most of the time. I found this vintage Wilson tailored exclusively for a motherfucking athlete jersey right here. It's that boy Ray Allen.
Battling, but unable to finish. Ray Allen launching from 3/4 court.
And then you also have this really trippy dog tie-dye shirt. Now, the reason I'm gonna grab this is because this dog definitely looks like it is on drugs. It has a couple lazy eyes. This is just mad weird looking. So this is a $7 purchase. Basically what I do when I purchase clothes is if I can't sell it for double what I paid, there's no point in really picking it up. Just a rule of thumb. So grabbing both of these, and we'll see what else this store has to offer.
Bro, you got that high fashion shit right here. That Old Navy football league.
High fashion, Old Navy.
Do you hear that?
I hear it.
It's where the treasure's hidden.
Hey bro, as I told y'all in the first store, the key is when the racks roll out. We got a couple of them. You got the twinning and winning Hooters white tee, yup, in my white tee.
Shout out to the restaurant with the biggest tits and the worst wings.
And then the Chaps Ralph Lauren, very sick, definitely 90s, $4, gonna get that. Honorable mention, they got the Harley embroidery, $5. I am so sorry. But yeah, man, dude, this is a dope vintage St. Louis Rams tee, Lee Sport. You guys can see, man, he got that reflection going on in the visor. See, this is why you guys have to wait for the racks to roll out, because when that time happens, bruh, it gets straight dripping.
Drippin', drippin', drippin'.
Dude, that is sick. The A-Life streetwear in the Thrift Budweiser logo tee. Come on, G. Come on, G. A-Life on the back. Okay. Hey, another pro tip is anytime you're in the Thrift, you gotta check the weird houseware section. It's always full of goodness. You have the almost broken bobbleneck Mark McGuire bobblehead, you dig? And what are these? What are those? What?
I'm off a B, you heard me?
You found, buddy?
Bro, I found some Asian jars.
Yeah. That's culture.
Juicy watermelon is the fragrance.
Like Ebenezer Scrooge.
Well, it's like Ebenezer Scrooge.
Bro, you would be if you had a big ass candle in this hole walking around at night, seeing ghosts and shit.
Hey, we always got our eyes in the trenches, bruh. Must cop young Mike Wazowski. You don't know how to read? Quit fronting. Always doing the most. Always doing. Hey, always doing the most for the internet.
You ain't have to let the internet know my grade.
Always doing the most for the internet.
Mama said I can read if I want to.
Bro, it's literature. Hey man, if you guys got any children out of wedlock, make sure they have Legos. Get their creativity right. Bro, Takashi Murakami?
That hoe got that neck.
You guys know. Big B's up.
Hey, big bees.
Hey, big B's up, baby.
All day.
Hey man, peep it. Also in the jersey section, man. They got a little something, a little stunning. They got the Mizzou all embroidered Nike jersey. That actually is very clean. All right, pro tip, man. The last section I go to nowadays is actually the accessories, but they do have this crazy vintage snapback. You guys know, like in 2014, Lil Kinky was bringing snapbacks back.
Facts.
And yeah, man, my sister went to this school, so I definitely am gonna grab this very cool hat. Put that on Mr. Potato Head, fully accessorized.
Bro, I'm confused by this hat, cause it got a B, but it blue.
You gotta be, but it's blue.
That shit get dead.
We got a problem, man. We're about to check out. And someone boon ganged the Mike Wazowski out the cart.
Boom, got a whole lot of gay shit, know what I'm saying?
We were too busy making this content for the continent. And now I gotta find this shit. I will big body a kid too. I don't care, bro. I need to find my Mike Wazowski. Oh, he got it. Okay, cool.
Boom, got a whole lot of gay shit, know what I'm saying?
Bro, we found Mike Wazowski. Oh, man. Just straight jacked it out of a child's hand. Oh, I might cop it for him, man. I might have to cop it for the youth, baby. We'll see. All right, so the little kid who boon ganged me for the Mike Wazowski has a little Lego character in his hand. So I'm about to cop in both of these books. It's always good to read as a child and to have some creativity in your life, so we're gonna do it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can you hold him? So happy. You're welcome. Hey, you got some, man. You gotta educate the youth out here, baby. You gotta get wavy. Mary, scale of 1 to 10, how good I look with this on my head? Yeah? You like it? Do you think I'm gonna look wavy with it? I like your hair too. 409. All right, baby. Good deed Cantu is jumping out that thrift. Found a lot of good little things, and now it's time, of course, for the much anticipated wave reveal. So we're about to show you guys how we tsunami out here, baby. All right. Okay. Okay. Uh-oh. Alright, you better watch out, baby. Oh, bro, I know you was wavy like that. All right, y'all, man. We're at the next spot right now. So a key to thrifting is if you're not finding stuff in the like trenches, they're more refined stores. So we're about to go to Buffalo Exchange, this Flamingo thrift store, and then Plato's Closet. Now, this Flamingo thrift store has a dope ass mural all up on it. They have pretty good deals, a bit higher prices, but sometimes it is worth paying a little bit more to find some scores with less work. So we're gonna do a little bit of everything in this video today. Let's go in here and see what's good. All right, man, we up in here. This is what I'm here for, bro. The windbreakers, 13 bucks for a pound. So we about to grab a whole mess of them. All right, man, we got the array on deck. 1, 2. This one is so ill. 3 cheetah print prints. 4 Blair Witch Project. 5, and last but not least, this floral fuego. Yeah, we cashing out with these windbreakers, baby. All right, man, busting out the store. Slight damage done, you dig? Yeah, man, prices were a little bit higher. Spent 84 bucks. Got a bunch of items though. All of them are roughly worth double what I paid, so I'm happy with it. All right, man, we in Plato's Closet right now, and bro, the back wall is covered in Jordans. Bing, bing. And then you also got the True Blues. They also got the up-tempos. So there's a lot of options in here today. And that's what I'm talking about. That's why sometimes you gotta go to stores that have a bit more of a refined, selected accumulation of clothes, and you guys can still get freaking steals live in there. Oh, are those Bape? So yeah, man, we're about to cash out on a ton of Jordans up in here. God, I need these in my size so bad. All right, so the lady's fetching the shoes. Shout out the homie right here. You dig? Bro, these things are like glistening light off the frame, my Lord. So yeah, gonna swoop these. Oh Lord have mercy, I also gotta swoop the up tempos, or Kingy does. They want 55 for thems. And then you got the fire red trees for $40. Overall, pretty damn clean. You also have the young tin foil, you dig what I'm saying, with the charcoal color scheme in this biatch. These are 35, so we about to just grab a whole host of shoes in this piece, bro. What happened?
Hey, we cashed out, baby.
Cashed out. Hey man, we just fucked up a check in Plato's Closet. Look at this bag. I actually only spent $110 on 3 pairs of Jordan 3s. So I mean, it was a steal. I did get some deals. And now let's go back to the crib and I'll show you guys how I upload everything, sell everything, and all of that goodness. Woo! I'm blessed, baby. All right, ladies and germs, so we back in the crib right now, and as you guys can see, Depop blessed me with this little t-shirt right here in the mustard color scheme. But essentially, man, I told you guys I'd show y'all how to actually post pictures. This is low-key like my strategy. So all up on my Depop, I have a variety of different backgrounds for the items that I posted. So I have some that are like hanging on a nice little clothing rack. And then there are also others that are on this dope ass little outdoor backdrop on top of some like shrubbery. So I do like that green vibrancy with that natural lighting. And then you also have some that are just on this bamboo backdrop that's in my crib. So if you guys have the same backdrop in all your pictures, it'll look a lot more boring. And Depop is kind of one of those fun apps where if you're colorful, lively, if you show people how shit looks on you, it definitely does garnish more attention. So I also use this little Western backdrop of a rug in the pictures as well. So my Depop is at Mr. Paul Cantu. So go ahead and fuck with your boy on that. I got 25 items that I've posted right now, and more are coming soon. Also, if you guys have a Depop, comment that in the description of the video, because I do believe I may be cashing a bunch of you guys out, purchasing a lot of your items and doing a big ass Depop haul. I think that'd be a really dope thing to do. So if you guys would like to join or fuck with me on there, then the link is in the description of this video. Somehow I got 6 followers. I don't even know how, bro. I posted these pictures last night, and already it's low keep hopping in this biatch. But yeah, man, if you guys enjoyed, live the dream, eat that vegan ice cream. Again, my username is at Mr. Paul Cantu. I don't know if I already said that shit, but yeah, man, peace and love. I'll catch you guys next time. Stay tuned, more videos dropping soon. And shout out everybody at Depop. I appreciate the love. See ya.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.